Okay, so today when we are on our own topic, which was JSRECon, the videos are properly recorded as I was having the time shortage for it. So let's wait for 2 minutes for everyone to join, and we'll start on 2:05. Okay, let's start in 2 minutes. No, it is not the day one of that free book bounty course. That's a different. You will get the link on 10 p.m. IST. Okay, so here we are, and let's see what we can do. So on that video, as I have posted that on Twitter, I have started to repost all the educational content that I can on Twitter. As you guys can see the recent post here, the free bug bounty course was there, LFI payloads, all these things. And as I said, I might not be able to upload the best quality videos from the last few times. Like I was still not able to upload the actual content that I used to upload. So I'll be not uploading videos for a while now, for like maybe a week. But then we will start the regular postings again. So let's take a look on our topic. I have posted JSRECON, and you guys said that you wanted a more deep overview. So our today's topic is JS and Wayback URLs. So what is Wayback URLs? We all know that Wayback URL is something known as a look on the past. So if you just take a look on archive.org, here is the Wayback machine. Now Wayback machine is a very simple tool. You just type something like tesla.com, and it will give you the list of Wayback. URL sitemap. You can just search something from them if you want to, and there is a lot of results here. There are a lot of results here. So we use the Wayback machine here. We can use this using some sort of specific string. Like if I just say tesla.com, we can use it using this string, or we can simply go with the Wayback URLs tool made in Go, and definitely you can go for it. You can definitely go with the Wayback URLs. Now we are talking about JS. Why I'm going with Wayback URLs? So it's simple that when I would like to go with collecting JS files, majorly I will start with the Wayback URLs, as they are having a lot of information, a lot of things, a lot of, or most of the JS files you can find easily in the Wayback URLs. So suppose we are going for Tesla here. Okay, here is our Tesla, and let me just make a directory temp. So you can just simply do Wayback URLs and then tesla.com, then www for Wayback. We are saying output here, and it will save the output here. Not a big deal. Now, as I was talking about JS files, it can find a lot of things from JS files, right? As we are having configs, all these things. That's good. That's really good. Effectively, it can do a lot of things. But let's see what we can do here. So let me just open the www file here, and let's see how many lines of Wayback we do have. So we have more than 300,000. Okay, 3 lakhs. That's good. Now let's do a little bit changes to it. Make the file here. We'll try to grab out the .js. JS files. So here we are having all of our JS files. Now one thing, I have already provided you the grep list that you can use to find your I already provided you the grep list that you can use to find information from the Wayback URLs, and I can use tools. Like if you are into bug bounty, any of my bug bounty courses, you will get that type of tools. They are already included, I guess. So that tools are doing all these things by their own. Like let me show you here. It is just asking for the file. I have provided the file using -l, and now it's going to find all the sensitive information from it. It won't take much time. Just a minute, I'll zoom in the terminal. It's not that much. It won't take that much time. So it is asking me, do you want to run Nuclei on JS files? So if we take a look on the code, it's not a normal templates. I'm having few specified template that is going to use. So if I just type yes, it is going to use all the templates here. Right, executing templates from exact folder that I told you in the video. Now that's the first way that we can use to find JS disclosures. Okay. Now let me just go to the second terminal. You can just do this thing JSF and then just type JSecrets. That's a tool. You can copy the name, find it somewhere here in the Google. Here's the JSecrets. Okay, now this is how JSecrets work. It is gonna try to open all the JS files and find things. Now look, there is an issue with JSecrets. It is not gonna give you everything. Right? It is not that much efficient to find everything. So it's kind of okay, yeah, we can use that, but I won't say that definitely that's a banger tool. Okay, we can use that. Look, it is just standard here. With a minor fluctuation of internet, it will just drop here. So that's a good thing if you are having a very good internet speed. Now it's gonna find all the things on Tesla. I think Nuclei and JSF scan are way better. JSF scan. Now it's not in my Mac, but definitely it's one of my favorite tool when I'm going on the Windows. So this tool can do a lot of things, like as we say that we can do manual analysis. I will always suggest that when you are going for JS files and all these things, always have a manual checkup on it. So this tool will definitely help you in a very good manner while going for manual checkup. It as you can see that it stores JS file locally for manual look. then you can definitely go for file containing multiple URLs, right? It can make word list from JS files that can be used further in multiple testing of admin portals and all these things. Even it can make a fuzzing list that we can use. It can extract endpoint from JS file. Now that's a good thing. This thing has helped me in the last 2 months technically. That got me good things, got me good triages from it. So it was very simple. Extracting endpoint from JS files that can reflect or that can uh, act in such a way that you can try to get some sort of good reputation bugs. That's all, majorly. So it's simple to install git clone and docker build if you want to go into docker. The usage is here. You guys can see the usages. Maybe I'll attach a video, drop a video about it, but I'll show you how to do it. Or you can just simply follow the blog. That's a very good blog here. Here is the exact JS blog with all the commands that you need. So don't worry about it. You can definitely have a look on it. Then we are having Xenos. Xeno JS scan. Yeah, you have to make a lot of customizations to it, but definitely you can use it. Here is the guy and how to use. All these things are here. Now let's see if it has found something. Now first of all, what nuclei we will use. Now there is a thing. Nuclei templates. In nuclei templates, definitely you should go for the HTTP exposures. This one. Now if you are having a lot of tokens, logs, files, configs, backups, that will help. For APIs, templates are here. You can find in them for backups, for config files, for other files, for logs, and for tokens. In tokens there is one more folder, like let me go to something called PayPal. So PayPal template, brain access controls. Maybe let's go for FinUp access key tokens. So this is the way I will say that's good. Nuclei is good, that we might use it. Now there is a misconception that how to make templates and all these things, or you are having a lot of questions about it. So definitely we will try to make the upcoming session of it. Now one more thing, you are asking about how to find the buckets. So I'm just closing it. You can try it by yourself. You can find good things, by the way. You can try to use JSecrets again. Okay, not. Wait. Let's see if it can do a thing. Not sure if it will take that much time or what, but definitely it should do a good effect on it. Let's see what it will get. Until that we can do a manual analysis on the JS files. Let's see. Let's go to cat JSF and let's see, and sort of let's just type token, just a random, nothing special. Token.js, we don't know what it is. Let's see. Access denied. Yeah, I must be blocked for it. Yeah, as I'm blocked on it, and then on this node you can use IP rotators. And even though the Bob scanner or the Bob exact scanner that it is having on its own, that's way efficient to do that. One more thing for JS thing, when you are using Bob suite, always have the JS scanner or JS miner. I think JS miner is the name. It will be always there on that, so definitely have a look on it. I'm having the cracked one and the premium, both of them depends on what we are using here. So I'm opening the crack one here. We can have both, not just crack. We can also get the premium one if you're into corporate or something else. They will give you. Now for extensions, we can see that we are having the JS miner here. This one, that guy is good, right? You can use J2W scan, but JS miner is very good. It can find things on the go. Like if I just go to the browser. By the way, I will always suggest that you can use Firefox, but along with that, this one is good. The browser that the website is having, the Chromium, it's definitely good. Let's just type, let's say Zomato, or let's say Bing. I'm just going with simplest thing here. Bing and ChatGPT, what the hell is this? Let's type something, just give me a target, a very simple one. Just give me a random target, not a big deal. Let's go with Zomato. I guess Zomato book is out of scope. Let's just type Zomato only. There are few courses in the market regarding Bob suite, and they cost way more. There is a lot of things that we do, right? That can give you a lot of things, by the way, but still we can have a look on it. Now you guys can see that here is my JS miner. That's just a demo. This is just a demo, but while hunting, always have it on. Now you can just try to find public keys. Now they are public keys, but in many cases you will find something very weird or not that much important. Now it can even help to find subdomains. Okay, nice, good. Credentials here, but no, there is no credentials here. You will get this types of false positives, so not a big deal. The access key, not a big deal, but we might get this type of things on that note. So, in short, what we can find from JS files: disclosures, a lot of files, including maybe subdomains, maybe API key, maybe public resources, maybe zip files. Even though in many cases you can find backups of their backups using JS files. So that was the exact thing I would like to describe in that one or in that video. I'm just showing it here, but yes, that was the things that you guys can use. And even though we were talking about Wayback URLs, so you can use way more for better results. Way more is way efficient. You guys can see this tool. I think I made a video on it, not sure, I forgot, must be, but have a look on this. This is very good because we are gonna use only Wayback URLs, but it is using common crawl, alien vault, URL scan and virus total, so it will give you a better results. And I'm trying to make a XSS POC breakdown session in the upcoming week with a lot of XSS POCs that are not patched yet, but I will blur everything out, so not a big deal. So let me know if you guys would like to take a look on that one. We'll be watching the comments. So let's see if in the next Friday or next Thursday we can do that. Everyone? Got it. Now one more thing, if you are collecting IPs from all these sources, like we have a tool that can do a thing that if you're finding a lot of things from IP, right, or if you're trying to pen test or going on some sort of IPs that belongs to a company, so on that exact thing you can do a simple thing that if you're having IPs or a list of IPs, then you can also find JS files onto them. You can try to bypass a lot of things, lot of headers, lot of 403 pages easily by using IPs in many cases. Now suppose there is example that if I'm gonna use what do we say, that if you are going to use Wayback URL, so let's say JS files, right, where having the user disclosure, the simple WP JSON user disclosure. If that one is patched, then there are multiple JS files that can still access that exact disclosures. So you can also do that using JS files because they can help us in lot of uh, they can help us in lot of bypasses. Now let me see if I can share it. Just give me a moment. Till that, if you have any questions, just drop it down. You can find multiple domains from JS file as I showed in that one in the Websuite JS miner. We have even find some admin panel disclosures or default credential login. Like suppose I found a subdomain which belongs to a service Grafana, and on the Grafana I was able to do the default credentials, and then I got it. Simple. Okay, I think here is the report. Just let me send it to this guy. Okay, here is the section on WhatsApp. Just give me a moment. Okay, so this is my domain.com and wp/users. This was blocked. Right, they have patched it, but by using wp content and jetpack, all these things I can easily access the file still. You can even try to access the other ones that are blocked using REST route or REST API, but you can still access it using all these types of domains. So on this note, the JS file can help a lot. By using JS files to find endpoints and try to access things from them, it's kind of very simple, but yeah, that can result in a very good number. Got it? I think this is the one thing that I would like to explain, or that I would like to explain here. But overall, that was the thing that I was going to explain in that JS video. So I think this was for it. Just let me know if you have any questions. I'm here till 2:35. I will be waiting till 2:35. If you have any questions, any doubts, you can ask and I'll show you. And also in the upcoming live, we'll be going with let's say POC breakdowns. I will try to share as much as of POC that are not yet recently found. I will share the recently found POCs and just make a video of them and share it to you, and we'll be having a live on that. Alright everyone, and you guys can ask your questions if you have any. Wow. By the way, one giveaway here. If you guys would like to have the bug bounty course for free, which is here. One of you will get this course, the advanced bug bounty training, the batch 6 or the master batch or the master class. If anyone would like to join this one for free, share a blog or share a tweet about it, about this course, and let me know. Or just tag me in any of the platforms. I will suggest Twitter or LinkedIn or maybe Instagram. It depends on you. Just post a tweet about it and tag me, and one of you will get these course for free. And any of you is having any questions, you can drop even in the comments. I'll reply. Class timing would be 10 PM IST. Sure, the live and things, I can't do everything live here on YouTube because of policies. But I will try to show as much as I can. I'm showing the tools that I can use, I'm showing the procedure that we can use, and on that particular things, I'm going for the POC breakdowns because of better understanding. I can't do everything live on YouTube, man. That's why I was having the uh, free bug bounty course there on Twitter. You can check it out still. It is gonna start in around 6 hours. Yeah, like automations, I have made few of my own tools. Thanks, buddy. I think that was for it. See you guys in the upcoming videos. Have a great day.